Yes, very good evening, students. Hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to see similar triangles, okay? And we'll do problems based on similar triangles. All right, now you can see the triangles here which are similar, isn't it? See here, right? Though there would be variation in their length and all the other sides, but they belong to the similar triangles. All right. Now, we say triangles are similar if their shapes are same, isn't it? So we can check if the shapes are same. If the angles must be equal, then the lengths of sides are proportional, right? So when do we say that, how do we check if the shapes are same? If the angles are equal, then the sides of the length of the sides are proportional. All right, now let's see the first sum. In the figure, DE is parallel to BC, right? And AD is to DB is equal to 1 is to 2. All right, so then what is triangle ADE is to triangle ABC, right? So the ratio of the area will be the square of the sides, isn't it? Just a second. Yeah, I'm happy my pen is working. Okay, right. So now you just see here. Yeah, here. I think I have to use some other color. Yes. See here, triangle ADE, okay, by triangle ABC is equal to AD square by AB square. Just let me change the color. Yes, right. So what is ADE? It is nothing but AD square, isn't it? So what is AD square here? It is nothing but 1 the whole square by what is AB square? AB is nothing but AD. See here, what is AB? AD plus DB. So it is 1 plus 2, which is 3. So AB, the whole square must be 3 the whole square, which is 1 by 9. Which 1 by 9 is nothing but 1 is to 9, isn't it? So where is 1 is to 9 here? In our option, it is option 3. So our answer is option 3. Okay. Right. That is why your option 3 is the correct answer. All right, students. So hope this is clear. Let's move on to the next question. Triangle APC is similar to triangle PQR. If AB is equal to 3.6, PQ is equal to 2.4, PR is equal to 5.4. So now what is AC? Okay. So what is that? It is given here is triangle ABC. This is not P by mistake, it is written P, it is B. So triangle APC similar to triangle PQR. So when one triangle is similar to the other triangle, then we know that AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. So it means that the sides are same, isn't it? So what is AB? 3.6 by PQ is 2.4 is equal to, we don't know AC, by PR is 5.4, right? So now 2.4 times of AC is equal to 3.6 into 5.4. So now what is AC? 3.6 6 into 5.4 divided by 2.4. All right. So if you solve it using the calculator or by proper multiplication, your answer would be 8.1, which is option 2. Okay, right. So this is similar triangle uh, that we must know. Let's see the answer. Yes. If you had opted for option 2, then your answer is right. So I request you to quickly note down these sums because these sums are really conceptual ones. So which will teach you that this is a concept, and mostly these questions are taken only from your past question paper. All right, now let's move on to the next question. Yes, see here in the figure AD represents dash of the triangle. What is AD? Right? So for that you must know what is these terms, right? So here you have four options: altitude, center, perpendicular bisector, then median. Okay, all right, students. So what could be the correct option in this? Right. So for which you must know what is a median, isn't it? So the answer here is median. So median is, it is a line which touches one side of the triangle, right? So here if you see AD is the one which touches one side of the triangle, that is BC. So the right, so it is the middle value in a set, right, where half of the values are less than or equal to the others, right, students? So you should know what is a median. So it is usually we call it as a, the median is the central, it is another measure of central tendency. All right, so here it is obviously option 4, which is median, right? Yes, see the next question. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. M is the midpoint of BC and N is the midpoint of QR. Okay. So if the area of triangle ABC is equal to 100 centimeters square and area of triangle PQR is equal to 144 centimeters square and AM is 2 centimeter, and then what is PN? All right. So here, right, now let's take triangle ABC. They say that it is equal to triangle PQR. It is similar to triangle PQR, isn't it? So when, what does this theory says? Triangle ABC by triangle PQR is equal to AM square by PN square, isn't it? So now what is triangle ABC? Triangle ABC is equal to AM square, that is 100 by, what is PN? It is 144, which is equal to, here you have 4, right? That is 2 square AM, that is 2 square is 4 by PN square. right? So we know it is AM square is 100, PN square is 144, right? That is the area. We know the area. And how about this AM? AM, they say that it is 2 centimeters. So AM square should be 2 square 4. So PN we don't know. But using this property, we'll be able to find out what is PN. Just a second. Yeah. Right. So 100 into Pn square is equal to 4 into 144. Therefore, Pn square should be 4 into 144 divided by 100. Pn square. So Pn should be, this you will get it as 5.76. So root of 5.76, you will get it as 2.4 centimeter, which is our option 2. All right. Yes. So hope you all have got the same answer. Let's move on to the next sum. The ratio of perimeters of two similar triangles is 4 is to 9. Then the ratio of their areas is dash. Right? So what is the ratio of their areas? That is what they're asking. Is nothing but 4 square is to 9 square. That's all. So what is the ratio of their areas? It is 4 square is to 9 square. So what is 4 square? 16 is to 81. So your answer must be option 3. Yes. So you can always put your answers in the chat box, students. If your answer is right, then definitely it means that you have understood the concept. So we can move on to the next question, right? And if you need, you can also refer your textbook, but I don't think it is required because almost all sums are being done here. So you can just quickly note down if you have any doubts. All right, now let's move on to the next sum. Area of equilateral triangle whose sides is A units is dash. So this is absolutely formula based, isn't it? So what is the area of the equilateral triangle? So you can, all formulas has to be noted down, isn't it? So I'm sure you all must be noting down all the formulas. So it is option A, root 3 by 4a square. Square units. Always area means you'll have square units. Okay. All right. See the next question. If triangle PQR is to triangle PQ, I mean, in triangle PQR, PQ is 6 root 3 centimeter, PR is 12 centimeter, and QR is 6 centimeter. Then what is angle Q? So let's try this. Right. So this is the triangle. Okay. So here they say PQR. So in triangle PQR, PQ is 6 root 3, PR is 12. Now their QR is 6. Now they want the angle Q. Is it clear? Right. So we know that PQ square plus QR square is equal to, wait, PQ square plus QR square. So what is PQ square? 6 into root 3 the whole square plus QR is 6 the whole square. What is it? You will get 36 into 3, isn't it? 36 into 3, 108 plus 6 6 are 36. which will be 144. So 144 is nothing but PR square, isn't it? So what is PR here? What is 12 square? 144. So we can say that angle Q is 90 degrees, right? So even using the Pythagoras theorem also, this is proved. All right. So your answer must be option 3, 90 degrees. So if you have got option 3 as your correct answer, then your answers are correct. All right. Now let's move on to the next question. Just a second. Just a second before we start. Yes. Right. The next question is the lengths of diagonal of a rhombus are 24 centimeter and 32 centimeter. Then the perimeter of the rhombus is dash. Right, students? So then the perimeter is asked. Right. So here the lengths of the diagonals of a rhombus. Okay. Right. So see here. So we can say that AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. Okay. Yes. Now what is OA square? It is nothing but before that, what are these that we need to note down? Isn't it diagonal 1, right? And diagonal 2. So D1, D2. So rhombus, it has two diagonals, D1, D2. Right? So one diagonal is D1, the other diagonal is D2. Right. So with this we will be able to find what is AB, right? Which is nothing but OA square plus OB square. That is 16 the whole square plus 12 the whole square. So if you add it, 16 square plus 12 square is 256 plus 144, where you will get it as 400. And with this, the side AB will be 20. All right, now what is perimeter of the rhombus? It is nothing but 4A. So 4 into 20 will be 80 centimeter. So that is how your option 1 is the correct one. All right. Hope you would have got the same answer. Option 1, 80 centimeter is the correct one. All right. Now let's move on to the next question. In triangle ABC, angle C is 120 degrees. If M is the foot of the perpendicular from A to BC, then the order of points are B minus B, MC or MBC or MCB, or is it none? Okay. So they say that, okay. So here, right. See here, angle C is 120 degrees. M is the foot of the perpendicular, right? So A to BC. Then we say that the order of the point is M, C, B. So it should be option 3. Okay. So M, C, B. So if you have chosen option 3 is the correct one, then it is your answer is right. All right. Now with this, we are moving on to the next question. The perimeters of two similar triangles ABC and PQR are 60 centimeter and 36 centimeter. If PQ is 9, then what is AB? Okay, right. So now they say that similar triangles, isn't it? So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So we already know that if it is similar means it is AB by PQ, right? This must be equal to, this is what actually the question says, perimeter of triangle ABC by perimeter of triangle PQR. Okay. So here, what is the perimeter of ABC? It is 60 by PQR is 36, which is equal to, what is AB? Right? We don't know AB, but we know PQ is 9. So you just have to cross multiply. Okay. So 9 into 60 is equal to 36 into AB, which implies your AB is nothing but 9 into 60 by 36, which will give us, AB to be 15 centimeter. So your option 4 is correct. So 9 into 60 by 36. We just go by the question. We are just equating the perimeters to the two sides. One side is given, the other side we are finding out. All right. So with this, we are moving on to the next question. Which of the following are not the sides of the right triangle? So how do we do this? You just have to draw the triangle. Okay. And where the other two squares are not equal to the hypotenuse. So that would be our answer. Okay. So your answer would be mostly this. Yes. It would be option 2. Okay. They are not the sides of the right triangle. Okay. So you can actually check it up with the other options also. And you can find out that option 2, that is 9 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter, they are not the sides of a right triangle. All right, with this we are moving on to the next question. In triangle ABC, the midpoints of D, E, F of the sides AB, BC, AC. Then triangle DEF is to triangle ABC is what? Okay, so they have given the midpoints. They say that D is a midpoint of AB, then E is a midpoint of BC, and F is a midpoint of AC, isn't it? So now they're asking us triangle DEF is to triangle ABC. What could be? Right? So there is one property saying that it should, the outer one should be the square of the inner one. Okay, so The outer one has four sides, isn't it? So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF. So this should be equal to 1 by 4. So your option 4 is the correct answer. All right. So hope you have understood this. With this, we are moving on to the next question. In triangle ABC, the sides are 6, 10 and 8. Then triangle ABC is dash. Is it a right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, or is it none? Okay. So now let's just write out. A is 6 centimeter. B is 6 centimeter. C is 8. So A square plus C square is equal to B square. Let's just check. 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square. Is it right? 36 plus 64. 6, 7. Yes, it is correct. So it means that definitely it is a right angle triangle. Okay. So it is a right angle triangle because a square plus c square is equal to b square in triangle ABC. Alright students, so your correct option must be option 1. Alright, so hope you would have understood and how to find out the answer also. Alright, how to do and get the answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. In triangle ABC, BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square. Then the right angle is at where? Okay, so then the right angle should be at where? Just now we did one sum whereby they themselves gave the answer. So it should be angle B, which is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. All right. So your option must be 2, angle B. Right. See the next question. In triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. M is the midpoint of BC. Okay. Then triangle BMA is dash. Okay. So equilateral triangle. Okay. So M is the midpoint of, so this is A, B, C. Then triangle BMA is dash. What is triangle BMA? So it is so obvious that it is right angle triangle, isn't it? See here. So without any doubts, you can quickly circle option 1 is the correct. Okay. Right. See the next question. In the following figure, DE is parallel to BC. Okay. So in the following figure, DE is parallel to BC. And they say they have given the measurement for AD as x plus 4, BD as x plus 3, AE is 2x plus 1, and CE is x plus 1. So now what is that they're asking? What is x? Okay. So what is x? Okay. So it's very in triangle ADE. So this is equal to triangle ABC. So triangle AD is equal to triangle ABC. In that case, it means AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. What is AD? X plus 4. What is AB? X plus 3 plus X plus 4. So 2X plus 7. Isn't it? Is equal to what is AE? 2X plus 1. What is AC? X plus 1 plus 2X plus 1. That is 3X plus 2. AC. Yeah, X 3X plus 2. Okay. So now when you cross multiply, okay, that is X plus 4 into 3X plus 2 is equal to 2X plus 1 into 2X plus 7. Okay. So we will jot down the equation to x square minus 7 is 0, whereby x square is equal to 7, x is equal to root of 7. So option 2 must be your correct answer. Alright students, so hope this is clear. With this we are moving on to the next question. The areas of two similar triangles are 25 meters and 36 meters. If the median of smaller triangle is 10 meter, then the median of the larger triangle is dash. Yes, see here, we can use the same thing. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. Okay, right. So triangle ABC by triangle XYZ is equal to ABC XYZ. A, B, C, X, Y, Z. So here we take AD as the median, which means it's equal to AD square by this we are taking it as W. So it is XW square. So what is area of triangle ABC? 25 by 36 is equal to AD square. They have given one median is 10 square. The other only we don't know. What XW square? So very simple, you just have to cross multiply. 25 into XW square is equal to 10 square into 36, whereby XW square is equal to 10 square into 36 by 25. Right? So we get XW is equal to 2 into 6, which is 12 meter. Okay. So by solving it, you will be getting option 4, 12 meters. Hope this is clear. Option 4 is the correct answer. All right. So with this, the triangle concepts must be very clear. So I suggest just take down all these sums and just keep doing it again so that you will become very strong with the concept, students. And any doubts, you can always get back to us. You can put the questions in our WhatsApp number 7337285228. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel Jatadhara Educational Technology. Please tell about our classes to your friends, teachers, your neighbors, so that they can also register and get benefited by it. We'll meet again with another very interesting topic, students. Thanks for watching. Over to you, Chandrika ma'am, for any further announcements.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, students, అందరికీ రోజు క్లాస్ అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. అండ్ జెట్ సాట్ అని ఒక స్కాలర్షిప్ ఆప్టిట్యూడ్ టెస్ట్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్లీ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ 10th క్లాస్ స్టూడెంట్స్. 10th క్లాస్ స్టూడెంట్స్ మాత్రమే ఎగ్జామ్ రాయగలరు. దీంట్లో టాప్ 100 స్టూడెంట్స్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తాము. ఆ ఎగ్జామ్లో సెలెక్ట్ అయిన 100 స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఫ్రీగా ఐఐటి అండ్ నీట్ కోచింగ్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయబడుతుంది ఆన్లైన్లోనే. ఫ్రీగా ఐఐటి అండ్ నీట్ కోచింగ్ ఫర్ 2 years ప్లస్ ఎవ్రీ మంత్ స్టైఫండ్ ఆఫ్ 500 రూపీస్. ఓకే, సో ఇంకా ఎవరైనా అప్లై చేసుకునే వాళ్ళు ఉంటే చేసుకోండి. దాని గురించి డీటెయిల్స్ కావాలి అంటే 7337285228 నంబర్కి జెట్ అని మెసేజ్ పెట్టండి. 7337285228 నంబర్కి జెట్ అని మెసేజ్ పెడితే దానికి సంబంధించిన డీటెయిల్స్ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తాము అండ్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ లింక్ కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ట్యాగ్ చేస్తాము సో దట్ యూ కెన్ అప్లై ఫర్ ది ఎగ్జామ్. Again, we will meet tomorrow with the another concept. Bye everyone. Subscribe to our channel Jatadhara Educational Technology.